everyone, it's Lisa, and today we are going to do another fun video of party or holiday look ideas. I have ordered probably, I don't know, I think there's probably 4 or 5 dresses here and then a top. This has been so much fun. I love it. I don't go to a lot of parties, we just have one, but I have enjoyed just wearing some of these things and being able to shop for it, just to help you guys. If you see, if you need something, I'd love to help you find something. Thank you to Walmart for asking me to help them show you guys some good ideas. I have just loved it. First thing I have on today, I actually still have the tag on it because I'm gonna ask you guys what you think. But I love this. As soon as I tried it on, I went into John, I was like, this is what I'm wearing. But I bought this in the large, and it is the Scoop brand, and I love it's sequin. I love the whole print of it, but I was thinking that maybe, I needed the large because, I don't know, I always think I'm bigger than I am, but I was thinking because I have boobs and because I didn't want it to be too tight that I would need the large, but I'm thinking I probably need the medium because it's still pretty big throughout here, but I thought you guys could still get an idea. And so let me switch you around just a little bit and adjust the camera so we can do the whole outfit. Okay, so here is the first look, and gosh, I probably should have moved that chair, but I've just paired it with some boots that I already had, and I went with kind of a blocky heel instead of a pointy heel because I felt like this dress is just a little bit retro, and because it was already so fancy, I just thought I would rather go with something just a little bit more casual just to mix it up. And if you're like me, a big part of my outfit is always going to be the coat or the jacket that I wear. So you could obviously wear like a big black faux fur would look great with this, but I was also thinking just to mix it up a little bit, like a long blazer, I think would also look really good with this, and it would kind of tone it down a little bit. So if you want to play up the glam, put on like a faux fur, but if you want to just like make it just a little, I really like this with this. Let me, so you can see a little bit coming out underneath it, and you could easily wear hose. I knew that I was probably going to wear boots, so I didn't think it would be necessary to wear hose. I think it's good even in the winter time to have just a little bit of skin showing. It just makes it a little bit, I don't know, fresher looking. And so let me know what you guys think about the sizing of this. Now that I put this on, maybe this is a good size for me. We shall see. But I'm doing a new little angle. Hopefully you can see just a little bit better. And and once again, I want you to tell me what your favorite look is out of all of them. Okay, so here is the next dress, and let me just show it to you by itself first. I love this. My favorite thing is I'm loving like the metallic. I love that it is a wrap, it's a faux wrap dress. You just pull it over, and then it has this. I have tried it with the bow. I kind of like it with it left undone a little bit better than the bow, and it does have kind of like a slip underneath it. My favorite thing is the sleeves. I think the sleeves are so pretty, and you could easily, like I'm thinking about if you're in the cold or going out, I guess you could easily layer underneath it. You could put on hose. I just hate to hide these sleeves, but I understand, like me, I have to wear a coat. So let me back up. I've paired these with some like faux snakeskin boots just to give it some pizzazz, or it's kind of a monochromatic look, so I still like it. You could easily do the black boots, or you could do like red boots or white boots, patent leather boots. With this, just kind of plain, even though it's a metallic, it's still, a solid color and not a lot going on, no print or anything. I think you could really, really have fun with the shoes. Like if you had some velvet platform shoes or some fancy hose, like I love all of the textured pantyhose and tights. That would look good with this. And then a coat. I don't know if any of you got this with me a few videos ago, but this just looks really pretty with it. And I just love the whole look. And a lot of times with the faux fur, I like my hair kind of tucked in. It just gives you that look, like I like that just effortless, I just threw this on look. And so, I don't know, I think I may like this on me better than the sequin one, which I love that one so much because I think the sequins are so pretty. But like I said, you have to let me know. This is only the second time I have tried these on, so you're kind of getting my almost first reaction, and it's the first time that I have tried them on with shoes and a coat. So it's really, you know, it's neat seeing it come together. Okay, so this is look number 2. This is one of the dresses. The sun's doing something funny, so we might have to turn a little bit back our normal way. I don't want it to get washed out, but this dress, I was so disappointed when I tried it on last night. I think it's an awesome dress. I love, of course, the sparkle and glitter in it, but I think for my body type, I am too long-waisted, and the sun's really blaring in there. But see, and I think it's a little too short, but I still wanted to show it to you because if you are petite, I think this dress would look amazing on you. I think it's made for more of a petite person, but I love like the fitted sleeves. I love the way the belt, it's one of those that goes, you know, back first and then it comes around, so it does give you a good kind of cinch in, and you could do it on the side or whatever. I always like it in the front. And then, so this is how, but you can see it's just a little too short for me, and it's just, you know, it's like right around my ribs. And then, but I thought this would look good with a nice moto, especially if you have one that, you know, has like some gold on it or, you know, hardware. I just think this looks so good with this dress. Maybe I could make it work with my moto. See? And I did put just like some Sally Hansen stuff on my chest, arms, and legs this morning, because that is what I would do when I would go out, is I would, you know, just right before do it like I did today, right when you're getting ready to do your makeup, put your hair up, make sure you got some private time, and kind of get down right to your underwear and put it on and let it dry while you're doing your makeup and your hair and everything. And that way it won't come off on any of your clothes. And this I think would look good if I wore hose. I think if I had hose on, I'd be fine with it, or tights, but that would be good because then it would make it where you could wear it in the cold a little bit better. But this would even be a good New Year's Eve dress. I do think it's a little bit more modest too. It's wrapping, you know, up high. So just a really cute, and I'm kind of, I don't know, you have to let me know what you think, but I love, love, love the material. See, I hope that you can see it's kind of like a rainbow glitter in there. So pretty. And here's the next one, and this one is just so sweet. It's got the like velvet with the sheer, so the arms are sheer, and again, I love the balloon arms. I love this. I think I bought it too big. Again, let's see what size I ordered. I ordered a large. I don't know what I was thinking, but I still love it. I don't know if I could wear the smaller one, but, and then I paired it with just the boots. Again, you could put on hose, you could do like me and just put the Sally Hansen on your legs. But I just think this is so sweet. It's such a, I think this would be a good, you know, dress for like Christmas Eve with your family. I think it's nice to dress up, to have dinner, lunch, whatever, when you're celebrating with your family. It shows them that they're important, that you're excited to see them. You feel like it was worth it to dress up to see them. I just think it's a compliment when you dress up for someone. And then this, I could not resist to put on with the red faux fur. If you have a black one, that would be good. If the black moto would be another option. But I just think with the red, it's so pretty. It's like a poinsettia. The true wintertime look. So pretty. This one is from Scoop. So I'll put everything down below. I know the silvery metallic one was from Love Sadie, a little bit different. But all of these are just great prices and just beautiful, I think. I just had to answer the door for the UPS guy. But what do you guys think? This is so much fun. It's like playing dress up, like taking you shopping with me. Love it. Okay, I've got a top that I want to try with maybe, I don't know, I've got an everyday dress that I just couldn't resist. It was such a good price, and I thought it would be a really good dress to have fun with and try some different styles with. And then I've got a really pretty black fancy top that I might pair with some jeans. So 2 more looks, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So this is the everyday dress that I was telling you about, and I love this dress. I love it. There's just so many good things. It's got pockets, and I love when I find something that I think so many people could wear. If you are a teacher or if you work like in a corporate office and you want something that is really cool, you can wear with your boots, but it's going to be conservative but still stylish, this is the perfect dress. And another thing is, I love that it's button up, so I've got it unbuttoned to give it just a more casual, kind of sexy vibe. But of course, it's a shirt dress, so you could button it all the way up to here. And a lot of times these dresses look good open, like worn open with leggings or something like that. There's just a lot of fun you can have with a good shirt dress. And there's Chanel. And I can't remember how much this was, but it was very, very inexpensive. And I believe it comes in a short sleeve version too. And then what I thought this would be fun with is a moto jacket. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. This is it. This is definitely a look I love. I think I'm gonna wear this today out. I'm not going anywhere special, but I am going to go to Ulta, and I have a few errands to run. I have to go get Will's favorite cookies that he ate all of last night. And I just love it. I knew I was going to love this dress. It is just so good. It's got a good weight to it. It's just a really, really good dress. So even if you don't have a big holiday function coming up, you need to get this to wear. I just think it's amazing. Okay guys, so this is that last top that I was telling you about. I did steam it, but I cannot get it. I don't have anybody here with me. Let me see if I can button one button at least. Okay. Oh, goodness. Hold on just a second. Oh my gosh, I got one. Okay, great, because that makes a big difference. I think this top is fabulous, and I cannot always wear Peplum tops because I'm long-waisted, and a lot of times this just doesn't fit right. But this top is not just holiday. I think you could wear it date night, you know, I would wear it anytime, and I just really love it. It's got the Peplum all the way around, it buttons in the back. I love these sleeves, and I'll put the size and everything down below. And so I just paired it with a pair of like faux leather trousers, and then these shoes that I showed you in my last video. I cannot express to you how good these shoes are. They're the perfect color, they're the perfect heel, and they're so comfortable, and they're inexpensive. And I think they just go with so many things. I love the way the toe, see how my toes like aren't all the way to the end? They're just awesome. If you haven't gotten them, get them in either this color or the gold. I think they would even look good with, you know, trousers or jeans. They're just that good. So what do you think? So tell me your favorite look, 1 or 2 of them. And, oh, I can't decide. I think I might keep this on now. I might as well. And then I'll just wear the leopard dress another day because I've already got this on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really have the best time doing this. I think it's the true love of fashion when you enjoy looking anywhere and everywhere to find good things. It's better than just grabbing what, I don't know, it's just fun. It's almost like hunting, and it's just really, really gratifying to find so many good things that anyone can afford and that looks just as good as any high-end purchases I get. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you to Walmart for asking me. I've really had the best time with these. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.